Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are just joining, I hope you stay, I hope you subscribe. So my community member has finally been able to push me into making this hairstyle. I'm not the type that carry it for a long time, but then I still want protective hairstyle. So I'm just going to take you through what this process looks like for me. So this was the first day and I've been able to detangle my hair. I was able to achieve the pattern by doing it side by side, just like you were saying. And I made sure that my weaving is quite firm at the root. I made sure that I started with a freshly washed hair because my scalp is prone to dandruff. So if I'm going to be carrying this hair for 2-3 weeks, my scalp should be clean. So when you are weaving, you don't want to make it, you don't want it to be so firm because you are going to be passing a crochet pin through it. So it is important to note that even if it is very firm, the crochet will still pass, but you don't want that stress for your life. So this was the first day and everything was looking smooth, like I was going to finish it that day. More. So as soon as I was done with that side, I had to stop because my hand was paining me. Guys, this is my hair after 3 days. I could not finish this hair on the first day. I tried the second day and well, I couldn't finish it. So the third day, this is what I have. Everything is well patterned, and then we move on to doing the boho braid. All right, so it's looking cute already, but I still just want it to look cuter. Let's see what we have. Let's see. So and I'll be using this Ceres by Xpression to do the curls for my natural hair. All right, so I don't know, I'm really not sure about this, but I just want to try and see if it's gonna match with my hair and if it's gonna look cute. So yeah. So because this series is not like human hair, I was quite skeptical about it because it can tangle and all of that. And as at the time I'm doing this for voiceover, my hair has spent like a week and it wasn't as rough as I'd expected. So the first technique in crocheting this series is to make sure that you put in the pin and you close it firmly, so you are not knotting the the extension. You just need it to pass through your natural hair, or relaxed hair, whatever. You just need it to pass through your hair, and you just give like a very nonchalant twist. Like it will not be firm, it will not be stretchy. You just go through it, and when you are done, you wrap your hand around it like I'm going to do in this video. I really like the fact that it's looking cute. Yeah, you have to crochet like 2 or 3 extension on one braid. So you crochet 2 or 3 extension on one braid. That is how you can achieve a fuller look like this. I don't want it to be heavy and too long or too big. That's why I just did just put it here and there and there. So it's not all my hair that I added the extension to. Of course, the verse of the day. Oh shit. The oil I used in parting my hair at the beginning of the video is my onion oil. If you'd like me to show you how I made this onion oil to grow my hair, let me know in the comment section. Yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you subscribe, I hope you like, and I will see you in my next one.